Hello everyone, my name is Usman Akram. Today video topic is quick modeling for beginner. So let's get started. First of all, press Shift A and select the cube. Now press Tab to enter in the edit mode. Now enable the face selection and select the top face. Now press Delete to delete the face. Now press Tab to go into object mode. Now click on add a modifier and solidify. Tick on even thickness and increase the thickness and apply it. Like and share the video. If you are new here, kindly subscribe the channel so you will never miss any my future tutorial. Thanks for watching.